Hello and welcome to week 7 of house updates. So we have some very exciting things, but first we're going to have to get another skip because we've got loads more stuff in the front. So we're going to wait right until the end to get the last skip in, but we've got quite a lot more stuff to get rid of. So we'll get a skip in right at the end, but we're sort of piling everything up at the back now. And then let's come down here. Very exciting things. First of all, look at the grass. Look at all of this. I'm so excited about this. So my grass is flourishing because it's been so warm and I have been watering it religiously. So, moment of reveal. French doors! So the French doors are in, and also the door on the utility room is in. So that's great. Down here behind this is where the new plastic pipe is. So the lead pipe was down there and they dug all of the concrete out, and there is now some slabs on the top setting, and it's got the stop tap on the top. So that's great. And then Levi's job is to build up these steps. So they're a bit sort of hodgepodge at the moment because it doesn't matter because they're not going to be seen, because we're going to have these paving slabs, or them, are going to be on the top and sort of on the front, and we're going to have 2 steps. So it's just a case of measuring up and that sort of thing. But yeah, French doors. It's an exciting time to have 2 doors to the house now. So we can go in this way. Big step up. Not that much has changed in here really. Plumber's upstairs. So I'll just show you in here. So we've picked up the bathroom tiles here and the grout and stuff, and I have put a PVA coating on all of the new plaster. So everywhere in the house that's got plaster on it, I've put a PVA and water coating on it so that the paint doesn't get sucked straight through to the new plaster. So it just means that we don't have to put quite as many layers on. So I'll just show you the tiling situation upstairs. So all of this is done now, it's all covered. So I have painted everywhere that's not going to be tiled. I've painted white now. So I think it needs one more coat. I have done 2 coats, but it's all painted, ceiling, everything is done. So the plumber is here today. He's going to put the sink on the wall, the towel radiator on the wall. The toilet's already in, but I need to ask him if we can move the toilet out so I can paint behind it. And then tiling, I have put the first row, the first course of tiles out there. The shower tray is slightly on an angle, so yesterday I had to sort of work out how to remedy that, but I think I've worked it out. I'm just going to have to put a few more spaces on this end of the tile and work it out as I go. That's pretty much it for the updates this week really. The main thing is that the doors are in and the tiling is being started, and it looks way better now that it's all white. I'm going to get on with it, and I will see you next week for another house update.